Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Saturday morning mindfulness meditation session. I am so happy to be sitting with my beautiful friend, Michelle, today. And it's so nice to know that we are in two different places. She's north, I'm in south. But we can sit together in this beautiful mindfulness meditation session. So let's tune in, everyone. Just gently close your eyes and greet your breath. And as you greet your breath, just begin to notice every in-breath and every out-breath, noticing how the breath moves in through the nostrils and how the breath leaves the body, and ground the soles of your feet to Shkakmakwe, to Mother Earth. And as you ground your feet to Mother Earth, feel that connection to the earth and the earth energy. And allow that connection to merge with your connection in the soles of your feet. So now today we're starting off with the 7 chakras. And chakra in Sanskrit means wheel. So it's all our 7 energy points that reside within our embodiment. And every energy point represents an element and also teaches us about ourselves, how to be, how to live, and how to take good care of ourselves. So today we'll start off with Muladhara, which is the root chakra. And the root chakra is at the base of our spine, the pelvic floor, and it's the foundation of our embodiment. It's like a foundation of the house, if we want to equate our embodiment with a house. The color of our root chakra is red, and it represents earth. So take all your awareness and all your attention to that root chakra, to Muladhara. And the root chakra stands for grounding. And we all need to ground ourselves every day to get that sense that our feet are planted firmly on the earth. The root chakra represents our survival, our security, and our grounding. So ground yourself, plant your roots deeply into Shkakmakwe, into Mother Earth. And as you do so, breathe in and breathe out. And relax your embodiment, relax your shoulders, relax your belly. In fact, give your entire being permission to relax. Taking nice, long, deep in-breaths through the nose and nice, long out-breaths through the nose. Our root chakra also represents our basic human needs. like food and water, breathing, life, roof over our head. And we know when we do not have those things in place, everything goes haywire. And if there's no safety and no security for us, we develop anxiety, fear, and we feel scared and shame most of the time. And it is said when the root chakra is blocked, that root energy center, it also blocks our other energy centers, as I will be teaching over the next 7 weeks. It comes back to self-care, self-love, taking good care of our embodiment, eating healthy, drinking lots of water, eating live foods, exercising, walking, running, all the grounding exercises, yoga. When we lose a loved one, or when we lose something within ourselves, or when we get physically sick, or when we're sad, or when we are traumatized, that root chakra will block up right away. And we feel it in our embodiment. We begin to develop anxiety and fear. We feel unbalanced, we feel scared, and lots of other things that happen. So today we are going to focus on this root chakra. And as we breathe in and breathe out, we will allow any blockages to be opened up as we pay full attention with love and kindness for ourselves to that beautiful energy center that grounds us, centers us, and focuses us. Nice long deep in breaths, nice long out breaths. Self-care is the key. Self-love is the key. Make a commitment today in this meditation to be kind to yourself, to be gentle to yourself, to love yourself. And every morning when you wake up and you put your feet on Shkakmakwe and Mother Earth, that you will ground yourself and connect with that grounding energy. Go for walks in Mother Nature and ground yourself. You will notice as you ground yourself more and more, the more content and safe you will feel. We are our own healers, and we can heal deeply when we love ourselves and we care about our well-being. Make that commitment to yourself today in this beautiful mindfulness meditation, that I will ground myself as much as possible and love myself and care for myself and my well-being, because nobody else can do that for me. Feel your breath. Feel your connection to the earth and the earth energy. You can come to this place and space anytime in your own stillness. And the more you can ground yourself, the stronger you will be. The calmer you will become. And the gentler you will walk on this beautiful earth. So let's take that last few breaths as we continue this beautiful grounding. When I ground myself, I always end this meditation with my own prayer in my father tongue. I'll share it with you. Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahu al-aliyyul azim. Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahu al-aliyyul azim. O Creator, I cannot do this on my own. And I ask for your guidance, your love, and your help. Slowly and gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing new life into them. And then as you open your eyes, just look around you and just get a sense again of where you are and where you were sitting, moving your head and just getting back here. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Michelle, for sitting with me today, for sharing your beautiful practice and your energy with me and everyone else. Have a beautiful, awesome Saturday, and take all of this with you and apply it to your day-to-day life. Namaste, the divine in me. I honor the divine in you all, always.